Have you heard that email marketing is dead, that you shouldn't even be wasting your time any longer building an email list? Well, if you've heard that, I am here to tell you that is 100% not true at all, and I am going to go over 7 reasons today why you can and should be building an email list for your business. So if you're new to this channel, hi, my name is Lindsay Sewell, and I help you, the busy entrepreneur, stand out online, build your personal brand, and create leverage in your business so you can create the time and financial freedom you deserve. And an email list is a great way to do that. So if you never want to miss another fantastic informational video from our channel, then make sure you hit the bell notification and subscribe now. So why email? You've probably heard email marketing is dead. Nobody opens it anymore. Open rates are going down. You should be on social media, on Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, YouTube. I mean, hey, heck, I'm here on YouTube right now. But here's the number one reason that I think it is absolutely critical for you to be building an email list for your business. It's one of the only things you actually own online. So what happens if Facebook decides to shut your account down tomorrow? If LinkedIn goes out of business, or your YouTube channel gets reported by somebody who doesn't like you and they completely delete all of your hard work and videos? Well, if you have an email list, you can easily pivot. You have a way to communicate with your audience to tell them exactly what happened and where you'll be hanging out next. It's the only thing you actually own online besides your website. And if you don't have a website yet, or you're not ready to build one, you can easily and quickly start building an email list today. In fact, in the description, I've listed my favorite email autoresponder, and you can go ahead if you click that link and get a 30-day free trial and get started building your list today. So let me go over the 7 reasons I think that you should be building an email list and why it's a benefit to have one in your business. Reason number 1, you can automatically follow up with people. So let's say you have a fantastic lead magnet, you post your capture page, somebody opts in to grab your lead magnet, your email autoresponder can immediately and automatically send that desired information to your perfect prospect and potential customer while you're sleeping. They can grab what they want from you, get it delivered immediately. So let's say somebody is surfing the web in the middle of the night and you have something on offer that they want. They're not just posting it on your Facebook profile and waiting for you to come along and Facebook message them with the information. They put their email, their name in, and it automatically goes out to them. So you can be building your list. You can be making sales and generating leads anytime, while you're sleeping, while you're playing with your kids, while you're at your other job if you have one. You don't have to be there to be delivering valuable content to your ideal customer. Number 2, this means you can constantly be building your business. If you've posted a link out there that gives someone access to something that they want, a lead magnet, a PDF download, an audio, a video, something that's going to help them build their business or help them and solve a problem for them, they can be opting in any time of the day, and you are constantly building your business, not just when you're sitting in front of your computer. Number 3, you actually get to capture visitors to your website if you have one, or to a Facebook group. And in another video, I'm going to share with you all the important reasons why you might want to start your very own Facebook group. But if you have a website and someone comes and visits it and they can't opt in to your email list, how do you capture their information? How do you know that they were ever there? And how do you continue communicating with them? Well, when you have the ability for them to opt into your email list, you are able to communicate with them on an ongoing basis and capture them every single time a new person visits your website. Number 4, you stay on their minds. Have you ever heard the quote, "The fortune is in the follow-up"? Well, with an email list, you stay on their mind. You're able to communicate with your ideal customer, business partner over and over and over again through your email so that you're staying front of mind, and when they open their inbox and see your name in there again, they're remembering who you are and why they want to buy from you. Number 5, and this is one of my favorite things about having an email list, is you get to communicate one person to many. So you can have thousands and thousands and thousands of people on your email list, and all you have to do is type one email. I mean, come on, you could probably start getting this done in 10 minutes a day, and you get to communicate to all those thousands of people. Think about what that would take if you were trying to personally message people in Facebook Messenger, Instagram, LinkedIn, any of those other social media platforms. If you were trying to do that one person at a time, it would take you hours and hours and hours. But with email, you communicate one to many all at one time. And this allows you to get to my 6th point, which is it makes you appear to be superhuman. So if you were trying to follow up with each person individually and send all those individual messages to them, you probably wouldn't get a chance to sleep anymore. And that wouldn't make you into a very effective marketer or online business owner, now would it? So this allows you to appear superhuman. You can customize your emails with fields that actually speak to them with their name. You can make the emails feel extremely personal. In fact, when I'm writing emails and composing an email, I am doing that as though I'm speaking to one person. Despite the fact that it's going to go out to thousands and thousands of people, I treat it as though I'm speaking to one person, to their struggles, to their problems, and what solutions I have to help them that day with my email. It allows me to appear to be a superhuman, communicating just directly to them each and every single time I send out an email, even though I am doing that one time. Think about the time freedom and the leverage that you can create from starting an email list and becoming a superhuman. And number 7 is that an email list will increase your sales. So if you have a product, if you have an offer, if you have a business opportunity that you're looking to promote, if you post that on Facebook, chances are only a small number of your audience is actually going to see it. If you post it over on Instagram or LinkedIn or YouTube, still, only certain segments of your audience are actually going to see it. But if you are also posting that in your email list, you are broadening your reach and you're broadening the number of people that are likely to see the offer that you have for them, which is only going to increase your sales. And as you become a better email writer, as you become a better copywriter, that's how you're going to increase those open rates. Don't let people tell you that email marketing is dead and that open rates are down. That's probably just because they're not very effective at their email marketing. Maybe, just like people do on social media where they're spamming their products, their services, or opportunities all over their profile, people are doing that as well in email, where the only time they're sending out an email to their list is when they have something to sell. You know what the result of that is that people start to tune you out, because if they don't need what you have to offer, they're not going to open those emails if they know that every single time is just something that you're going to sell. But once you practice and you start delivering valuable content to your email list on a regular basis, you will increase your open rates. You'll become a better copywriter. You'll get people to want to open your emails more and take action when you actually do put an offer in front of them. So building your email list is a great way to increase your sales. Now, the number one challenge that I see with people when they start building their email list is that they give up too soon. Email marketing is a long game. You build your list one person at a time. Every single email marketer with a huge list had to start at 0. So if you give up too soon, you're not going to see any results. This isn't a send out an email, make $1 million pitch. What this is an ongoing strategy for you to build a lasting asset that will help you take your business to the next level and become a very effective long-term marketer. So I hope this opened up your mind to the benefits of email marketing. And if you want to check out my favorite autoresponder, go ahead, click the link in the description below, and you can grab a 30-day trial. I'll see you in the next video.